On and talk about HDFC Securities pick of the week. To tell about that, Nisha Sankhala, fundamental research analyst from HDFC Securities, is now joining us. Nisha, good morning and welcome. Let's talk about your pick of the week. Is Axis Bank, why you like it again, and also what's the outlook on it?
Hi, and thanks for having me on the show. So this time we are recommending Axis Bank as a pick of the week for our clients. So our main thesis is that we strongly feel that asset quality worsening cycle has been picked out for corporate-facing banks, and this is also evident for the case of Axis Bank, as absolute NPA has been reducing sequentially since last 5 quarters. Moreover, higher corporate delinquencies are likely to over by this fiscal year. Axis has consistently focused on de-risking its loan book by reducing corporate portfolio and focusing on high-margin, less-risky retail segment. So now this segment contributes around 52% of total loan book. New management has recently unveiled its vision for FY 2022, wherein they have highlighted key changes that the bank will be making to achieve sustainable ROE of 18%. So all of this combined makes us bullish on Axis Bank.
Okay, now the question here is, again, when we take a look at the sort of the recent provisioning, do you believe that bulk part of the provisioning that, as you were just alluding to that point, that is already over? Because a lot of investors, they will be really thinking economy is slowing down, perhaps we could see again some more sort of provisioning, some more bad assets. What's your answer, or what's your thinking from that point of view with regards to valuation?
See, the bulk of the provisioning has been already made, and the large chunk of NPA that they have discovered this quarter is also 50% of part of that has also been provisioned. So from here on, we expect that net profit can grow about 48%, NII can grow about 15%, and loan book can grow about 16%. So we have also done SOTP-based valuation for arriving over 900 rupees target price.
Okay, so that's the word on Axis Bank, and the target price has been ascribed at 900 rupees. Again, the asset quality worsening is at last leg. So again, the sort of simple word here is that we actually could be at the turning point of asset improvement cycle here. Our last question, Nisha, on Axis Bank, is it something an outlier, or you broadly have a similar view on other private banks also?
But when you look at the new management quality and the vision they have set for company's growth plan, this would be more of an outlier compared to other corporate-facing banks, and moreover, they are focusing on retail segment also, so that will not bring new NPAs for the bank. So our view would be more biased towards Axis Bank.
Nisha, thanks a lot. Always a pleasure talking to you and getting your insights on the pick of the week, Axis Bank. Again, that's coming from HDFC Securities. The stock is up 1% in today's trade, but is down almost 12 to 14%.